Hello everyone, welcome to the gold technical analysis and the forecast today. So as we discussed in our previous video, the gold reached the 1860.00 psychological level. So after retesting this level, the gold break below the 1851.200 psychological level and retesting this level again and again. So if you look at the dollar index right now, the dollar index almost reached the 104.00 psychological level. If the dollar index did not break this level and bounce back towards the 105.00 psychological level, then we will see some further fall in gold. So according to this, our next target, first target should be the 1830.00 psychological level, and if the gold break below the 1820.200 psychological level, then our second target should be the 1800 psychological level. There is another scenario can be happen if the dollar index break below the 104.00 psychological level and moving downwards to the 103.00 psychological level, then the gold will gain some upward momentum and break the 1860.00 psychological level and moving upwards to the 1890.00 psychological level. So that's all. Thank you.